In today's video, I'll guide you through how to manage orders and customize emails in WooCommerce, from handling incoming orders to customizing those order confirmation emails that go out to your buyers. So this will be a complete step-by-step tutorial for getting your emails right for WooCommerce beginners. So if you're looking to learn the ins and outs of managing a WooCommerce store, then you came to the right place. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, if you don't already have your WooCommerce store up and running, then we'll go ahead and leave a link down below in the description to get started with managed WordPress hosting from Hostinger. They're currently running a Black Friday special right now, so if you click on the link down in the description below, it's going to bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and choose from one of their 3 plans by clicking on Claim Deal. There's the Business, Cloud Startup, and Cloud Professional plans, but if this is your very first WooCommerce store, then the Business plan is probably more than enough. You get basic WooCommerce, it supports up to 100,000 visits monthly, and create up to 100 websites plus a ton more. So let's go ahead and click on Choose Plan. Now from here, you just need to decide how long you want to commit to, whether that's 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, or 48 months. For this example, go ahead and select 12 months. And then lastly, you want to come in here and go ahead and type in code Charlie Chang and click Apply. And you'll see for only $43.09, you get a full year of hosting with Hostinger, which is an incredible deal. So be sure to click the link down below in the description. Use code Charlie Chang at checkout to take advantage of these Black Friday savings. Viewing and understanding an order. So first off, let's say that a customer places an order on your WooCommerce store. So they've gone through the checkout process, they've selected their delivery options, agreed to your website terms, and hit that place order button. Now, once all that's done, they'll see an order confirmation screen with all the details: the order number, the date, the total amount, email address, payment method, and what they purchased. Now, as the store owner, you'll also receive an email notification that a new order has come in. This email will typically show the product details, quantity, and shipping information along with the customer's email. It might look a bit basic at first, but don't worry, I'll show you how to make these emails a lot more professional and in line with your brand. So real quick, just to show you what that looks like, I already have my WooCommerce store set up and I put a Sony FX30 on there for sale, and I went ahead and placed a test order using a temporary email address. This is what that email looks like. Now, it's pretty basic. As you can see, it just says thank you for your order and has the basic information on here, but there's really no customization, no personalization to this, so we're gonna go ahead and fix that. Accessing the email settings in WooCommerce. All right, now let's jump into customizing these order confirmation emails. So what we're gonna wanna do is head over to the WooCommerce settings in your WordPress dashboard, and then click on the Emails tab. So it's here you'll find a list of all the different email notifications that WooCommerce sends out, including the new order notification for admins, the order confirmation for customers, and more. This is where you'll adjust things like the from name and email address, add a logo, and change colors to better match your branding. All right, so let's go ahead and navigate to the email settings of WooCommerce. So we'll come over here to WooCommerce, settings, and then up here at the top, we'll go ahead and click on emails. So again, here we can go ahead and see all of those emails. Now, here it says the recipient. So these 3 emails are what you, the store owner, will receive. So that's for a new order, cancel ordered, or fail ordered. And then these are all the emails that the customer will receive. So there's order on hold, processing order, completed order, refunded order, order details, customer note, reset password, new account, and new receipt. Updating the from name and email address. So one of the first things that you'll want to change is the from name and email address on these emails. Now, by default, it might just show your site's title or WordPress generated email, which isn't always the best or most professional look. So in the WooCommerce email settings, below all those emails, we'll go ahead and scroll down to find the fields for from name and email address. And you can go ahead and update those to reflect your business's name and email, like my store or info@mystore.com or something like that. So right here, this is where we go ahead and do that. So again, right now, if we look up here in the top, this is what my WordPress site is titled right now. And so that's just copying that over. We'll go ahead and from your store manager, but you go ahead and put that whatever you'd like. So that might be the name of your store, the name of your business, or if it's more of a personal brand, you can go ahead and put your name right there. And then here you can go ahead and put in the email address that you would like for it to come from, adding a logo to your email header. Next, let's go ahead and add a logo to your email to give it a more polished look. So we're gonna start by going to media in WordPress and uploading your logo if you haven't already. Now you may want to resize it first so it doesn't take up too much space, and I'd recommend a width of about 300 pixels wide. Now, once uploaded, go ahead and copy the URL for the logo image. Back in WooCommerce settings, look for the logo image field and paste it in the URL. This will add your logo to the top of all outgoing order emails, which makes them look more professional and recognizable. Okay, so to go ahead and upload your logo, we'll come over here to media, and we'll go ahead and click on add new media file, and we'll go ahead and select a logo. So here we have that updated my new logo, and we'll go ahead and click on edit image, scale, and we'll go ahead and type in 300 pixels wide and hit scale, and there we go. So then we're gonna go ahead and click on that logo again, and we're gonna go ahead and copy the URL to that logo. Then we're gonna come back here to WooCommerce, click on settings, click on emails, and then down here by header image, this is where you can go ahead and paste that header image. So that's how you can go ahead and put a header image on your emails. Customizing the email colors and footer. So to go ahead and make these emails align even more with your brand, you can change the colors. So in the same email settings section, you'll see options to adjust the base color, body text, and background color. So pick colors that match your brand's color scheme. For example, if your primary brand color is blue, you can go ahead and change the base color to a matching color. There's also a footer text section where you can customize the text at the bottom of the email. So you might want to change the default built with WooCommerce to something more personal like thank you for shopping with us or good luck with your purchase. So let's go ahead and change this purple color to something different, maybe like aqua or blue, something that kind of pops like that. And then footer text, we'll go ahead and say thank you for your purchase in all caps. And go ahead and make sure to hit save changes. Placing a test order. Okay, so once your email settings are in place, it's a good idea to go ahead and place a test order to see how everything looks. I'll quickly walk through this. Now, one thing that you're gonna wanna make sure that you do in order to do this test email is come up here to payments, and I don't have any other payments set up right now, but if you did have your payments set up, you'd wanna go ahead and turn those off for a second and just turn on cash on delivery. So that way you can go ahead and place an order without entering any sort of credit card details. So we'll come over here to the product page. We'll go ahead and add that to cart. We'll click on view cart, proceed to checkout. We'll go ahead and fill all this stuff out, and we'll go ahead and click place order. All right, your order has been placed. Pay with cash upon delivery. Now, if we come back over to the temporary email address inbox, we can go ahead and see that initial first order, again with the purple coloring. And now if we come here, we can go ahead and see that we have that logo there, that super fancy new logo that we put on there, as well as that color that we changed on the back there, as well as down here at the bottom, thank you for your purchase. So after doing this, you should receive the newly customized confirmation email. So let's take a look. As you can see, now it's coming from the new updated business email address. If you did that, it has your logo at the top and it features your updated colors and footer text. Just a few simple tweaks and it already looks so much better and so much more personalized. Personalizing the order confirmation message. Now, we can do even more to personalize the confirmation email. If we go ahead and navigate back to the WooCommerce settings and then go to emails, we can go ahead and locate the processing order email. This is the one that customers receive right after they place an order. We're gonna go ahead and click on manage next to it to open additional customization options. So coming back to WordPress over here, under WooCommerce, we'll come back to emails and we'll come to this processing order email here and click on manage. So here you can go ahead and change the standard, your order has been received to something a bit more engaging. For example, you might try, thank you for your order. We're getting it ready and we'll notify you once it's shipped. There's also an additional content section. And here you can go ahead and add something like, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at any time. So let's go ahead and fill all that in. And up here at the top for the subject, we'll go ahead and right now it's saying your site title order has been received. We'll go ahead and just take out the site title and just say something like your order has been received. Once you're happy with everything, make sure you go ahead and hit save to save your work. Editing the email template code. Now, if you're looking to take customization a step further, WooCommerce also allows you to edit the actual email templates. So to do this, we'll go to Appearance, Theme, File Editor, and find the WooCommerce email templates. Now, we want to be careful here as the changes that you make to the code can affect all outgoing emails. So we're going to find the customer processing order template, and in the code, we're going to look for the line that says something like, just to let you know we've received your order, and you can update it to be more specific or on brand. So for example, you could change it to thank you for your order, order. Your order number is insert order number, and we'll let you know as soon as it's on the way. So to go ahead and do that, we'll come here and we'll go ahead and click on copy file to theme. Make sure we save changes, and then we'll come over here to appearance and theme file editor. And we'll go ahead and scroll down to WooCommerce. Go ahead, click on that. Click down on the emails, customer processing order. So for here, this is where we can go ahead and say something like, thank you for your order. Your order number is, and then we'll go ahead, delete this part and leave that code right there, which will bring up their order number. And you can go ahead and update that to whatever you'd like. And then if once you're happy with it, you go ahead, come down here and click on update file, and we'll get that file edited successfully notification. So let's go ahead and place another test order now just to make sure that it worked. We'll go ahead and click on view product, add to cart, view cart, proceed to checkout, place order. And now if we come back here, we go ahead and refresh the inbox. Again, we still have that updated look here. Thank you for your order. Your order is, I forgot to put, accidentally pressed 3 instead of number. Make sure that you don't mess that up. Otherwise, all your emails will be messed up. And as we can see, that went ahead and got updated. Completing an order and notifying the customer. So once you've fulfilled an order, you'll want to update the order status so that your customer knows their purchase is on the way. So to do this, we're going to go to WooCommerce and then click on orders in the dashboard. Find the order that you just packed and shipped and change the status from processing to completed. Now, when you do this, WooCommerce automatically sends a completed order email to your customer. Now, you can also customize this email template in the email section, just like we did with the processing email. Maybe you can add a friendly message like, good news, your order has been packed and it's on the way to you. Keep an eye out for it. So again, let's come back to our WordPress dashboard here. We'll come to WooCommerce orders, and we'll go ahead and change the status of this updated order here. We'll go ahead and change the status to completed and hit update. And then we'll go ahead and come back over here to the email inbox, refresh this. And now we can go ahead and see that we have this completed order. We finished processing your order, pay with cash upon delivery. So that's a wrap on customizing and managing WooCommerce order email. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your customers have a smooth, professional experience from start to finish. And not only do these tweaks make your emails look better, but they also create a more trustworthy experience for your customers. So if you're ready to grab the limited time Black Friday deal on the WooCommerce hosting through Hostinger, then you'll find the link down in the description below. Now, this is an affiliate link, which means that if you use it, we earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. And in fact, you're gonna get the best savings possible by using those links. These links help support the channel and allow us to continue making free content just like this. So if you end up using those links, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce, providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.